Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech-Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you how to make your own radio application. So for demo, this is a file radio.bat. You press enter. So the radio player that you will create is run. So see this carefully. And if it's written make a selection or hit enter to quit, like if I will hit enter without doing something, it will quit. It also made a shortcut here, radio stations. So if I'll enter on it, so it will fetch it. It will come like this only. Now if you want to play a music, so you have to press the following numbers, like you can see this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the last one is to stop it. Okay, so if I press 4 or 1, hit enter. To wait some time. Wait for some time. To wait, then it will play. And wait for some time, it will play. Or if I press 2 and hit enter, it will play the music. So if you press 9, so it will and hit enter, so it will stop the music. And all these numbers can play music. Now how we have to put this music, I will tell you in the next video. Now I will tell you how to create it. So first I will close this. First you have to click on the start menu, type in notepad. Just open notepad. Very simple app. And then paste this code. This code I will provide you in the description box. Okay. See this code carefully. You can go on the description and find this code. Okay, so you have to paste this code here. Okay, see this code carefully. Now after that, you have to first I will delete this all space. Yes, now it's done. Now click on file, then save as. This code you have to copy and paste it on the notepad. Then click on file, then save as, then desktop or any other location. Now you can give it any name, like I will give my app radio. You can give it any name. After that, type .bat. It's a batch script. So then desktop, then save. Done. Then close this notepad. This came. This my app radio.bat or any name. Hit enter. So it will come. Wait a second, it will come. To wait some time, it will come. Yes, it came after clicking this my app radio. Okay, now if you press enter, so it will go. And if you want to play a music, just press the number I have to play 2. Hit enter. It will play, or 1. So it will play the music for you. Like this. It will play the music for you if you type the specific music. And if you press 9 and hit enter, so it will stop it. So this was the information I wanted to share with you. So you can go on the description and copy the code from there and file, save as, and save it .bat. Give a nice name. Dot after that .bat. This is a batch file. Okay, then save it. Then you can play. And how to put the musics and fetch it. So I will tell you this in the next video, part 2. So have a great day.